Welcome guys. Let's do Gala token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in the description. And please watch this video until end because in this video I'm going to show you all my charts and all targets. So please watch this video until end. Current rank of Gala is 139 and it is a NFT token. And price of the Gala is 8 cents. Here you can see right now. Market cap of Gala is $636 million. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of Gala is $143 million. That is good. Circulating supply of Gala is 7.5 billion. Total supply of Gala is 35 billion. And maximum supply of Gala is 50 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you the charts. Here you can see. On Thursday 8 October 2020, the price of the Gala was just 0.009044. And here you can see, after that price goes to this level, 13 cents, near about 14 cents. All-time high of Gala was on September 16, 2021, about 27 days ago. And the price was 13.9 cents. And all-time low of the Gala was on December 28, 2020, about 10 months ago. And the price was 0.00013475. And it gives 11,900% profit in 1 year to its holder. That is very, very huge profit. It is available on Binance, HitBTC, Gate.io, Toko and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, go to in this video's comment section, where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses: $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Remix, and $1,600 bonus of Bybit. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you the website. This is the website. It is a gaming token and here you can play games, and these are the all stuff. You can visit this website by your own, and please do your own research before buying this token. This is very, very important token to me. That is why I am making this video. Here you can see it is very, very important token and next big token, I think so. Let me please show you the charts. This is Gala USDT pair 1 day Binance chart, and it is in this descending channel. After creating a top at 14.7 cents, and it is now at 8.3 cents right now, the prices. It is in this descending channel. This is the upper trend line and this is the lower trend line, and it is this blue line is the center line. Every time when price touch this blue line, center line, price this line act as a support, and here you can see after touching this line, price bounce back. Now maybe price can go up, and after that price can hit 10 cents. And if price broke this center line, in that case price can retest this zone. This is the possible scenario. Maybe price can retest this zone because of the support zone. This is the support zone and it is at 7.4 cents. Maybe price after hitting this can go down to retest this downtrend line, and after that we see a pullback. This is the possible scenario, and the first scenario is that maybe price can hit this zone and keep this support, and after that hit this zone. The second scenario is this, but these trend lines are very, very important for this token. And let me please show you some other statistics, and let me please show you first of all the EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon candles are below this daily EMA ribbon. Once it candles closing above 10 cents, in that case price can go up. And let me please show you some important fib retracement levels that are very, very important. Here you can see. Currently it is holding 0.5 fib retracement zone, and it is at 8.3 cents price level. Once it broke this this zone, in that case it can touch this golden pocket 0.61, and it is at 6.8 cents price level. And after that, the worst scenario is that 0.78 fib level, and it is at 4.75 cents price level, and this is the bearish zone. Once it broke this zone, in that case I will be very bearish. Until now I am bullish. I think price of the Gala can hold this zone, and it is 8 cents price zone. Once it hold this zone, in that case next level is 10 cents, and after that 11.7 cents, or you can say 12 cents, the area. This is the horizontal resistance, 12.3 cents. This is the all-time high horizontal resistance, 14.7 cents. And let me please show you some other statistics, and after that I will show you the target. First of all, let me please show you second chart, in which I am going to show you the support and resistance levels. This is the main resistance is at 14.5 cents. This is the second resistance, 12.2 cents. This is the third resistance, 10.1 cents. And after that, this is the fourth and major resistance is at 7.5 cents price level. And once it touches this zone, I think it can bounce back after touching this zone. This will be the first target. This will be the second target, and this will be the third target. These are the targets. And if unfortunately it broke this 7.5 cents level, in that case price can go down to 5 cents area. This area is also very important. Note down these levels, and let me please show you the targets. First of all, I have to remove this. Note down these levels. For this I have to take this tool, fib retracement trend tool. Please wait. Let me please arrange this chart, because I want to give you the accurate target. I think so this token can hit. For this I have to take this from bottom to top, and after that top to current bottom. And let me please show you the targets. I think it can easily hit this target, and it is at 2.61, and it is 40 cents price area. 40 cents to 50 cent price area, this is the target for this token of 2021 or 2022 bull run, because this bull run I think will end after March 2022. That is why I am saying this. This will be the possible target. These will be the possible targets. All-time high of this bull run will be in between 40 cents to 50 cents. This is the target of the Gala for this bull run. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will share this video with all of your friends. And if you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends. And if you want to buy these bonuses, if you want to get these bonuses, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. These areas are very important. First area is 8.1 cents, and after that 5.3 cents area. Once it hold this area 8.2 or 8.1 cents, in that case 10 cent is our first target, 12 cent second target, and 14 cent will be third target. And if it broke this blue line, in that case it can go down to retest this zone, and it is at 0.05. Let me please show you CPR levels. Maybe here you can see the monthly CPR. First CPR level is at 15 cents, second CPR is at 21 cents, and third CPR is at 28 cents. And these are major CPR levels, 9 cents to 8 cents. These are major levels. And first bearish target is 2.8 cents, and after that so on. But I think these are the targets we have to note down: 15 cents, 21 cents, and 28 cents. These are the monthly targets for the Gala token. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.